OnePlus Nord Buds CE review. Affordable, but does it match your tune? OnePlus Nord Buds CE is yet another affordable TWS earbuds in the market. OnePlus added the Nord Buds CE to its affordable product lineup in India, and here's our review that talks about its quality and worth in a crowded market. OnePlus Nord now has a broad set of products in the market, and the company serves its purpose for affordability with the lineup. We have already talked about the Nord phones, and even its first smartwatch. Now it is time to check out the Nord Buds CE, which is the ultra-affordable true wireless stereo earbuds from the brand. Priced at 2,299 rupees, Nord Buds CE competes in a crowded space with the promise of a reliable brand that delivers quality products. But as we have seen before, being affordable doesn't guarantee that you get the right quality. OnePlus seems intent on making that right with the Nord Buds CE, and we used it extensively to see if the company manages to walk the talk. OnePlus Nord Buds CE review. What's cool? The build quality of the Nord Buds CE is better than what we expected for a product in the sub 2,500 rupee range. Yes, it is made of plastic, but the charging case and the earbuds don't feel cheap, and even when you wear them over, you don't feel uncomfortable for long hours, thanks to the lightness of the earbuds. The earbuds have a single 13.7mm driver, which is probably the biggest we have come across in this range so far. And the sound quality produced shows its worth. It is not bass heavy, which is a refreshing change in this price bracket, and the audio output that you get won't tear up your ear canals. Chasing Cars from Snow Patrol starts in a mellow way, but the mid-tones get richer as the track progresses. Similarly, any other with a bit more bass doesn't get the heavy thump, and for a change we like that about the Nord Buds CE. The mid-level is probably where the Nord Buds CE shine. The AirPods-like design has been done to death in this segment, but Nord CE perseveres with what most brands offer, and we're fine with that to some extent. The design has its critics, but you can't expect for this less money. The connectivity is another strong point about these earbuds. You can pair them with Android or iOS device, which makes it dynamic, and the quality differs based on which phone you use. Having a OnePlus phone adds further benefits, with some exclusive features for the buds tuned in. These earbuds get IPX4 rating, which means it can handle a few rain splashes. OnePlus claims the Nord Buds CE can last over 4 hours on a single charge, and during our time we got over 4 hours with the earbuds. Most people will be happy with the total charging support of around 20 hours of listening time, and the quick charge support offered is always helpful for a quick juice up in times of need. OnePlus Nord Buds CE review. Should you buy? Has OnePlus delivered an affordable yet quality pair of earbuds with the Nord Buds CE? Well, to some extent yes. The design still has its fans, but its fitting can be subjective, and it leads to a differentiated sound experience for the listener. Speaking of which, the overall sound quality is decent, and most of you would like its middle-focused approach, which is a far cry from the bass-heavy units out there. It doesn't offer noise cancellation, and the AirPods-like design leaves it loose in the ears. But, thanks to its above-average battery life, Nord Buds CE would fit most people's needs and budget. And for this price, these earbuds sound better than most of the others we have tested recently.